Hi everyone, I'm Tarkan, hairstylist in Chelsea, London. Today, I'd like to show you the perm I've done on the longest hair in my career. I'm sharing a unique transformation story for those who want to turn their straight, flat, or unruly wavy hair into a curly masterpiece. This process, which some might think isn't suitable for long hair, can actually deliver stunning results with the right technique and patience. Let's watch step by step as these straight locks are transformed into gorgeous curls. Our first step is carefully wrapping the hair in rollers. This process takes a bit more time and patience with long hair, but the quality of the final result depends on how meticulously each strand is wrapped. The key here is ensuring that each section is of equal thickness and wrapped evenly. It's crucial not to rush this step, as the precise placement of each roller will lay the foundation for the future curls. Now, we move on to the chemical process. This stage temporarily changes the hair's structure, creating waves and curls. The chemical used restructures the hair's inner bonds, making the curls permanent. It's important to ensure that the chemical is applied evenly to all areas of the hair, as this ensures uniform curls. Also, paying close attention to the processing time is critical. This varies depending on the hair type and the desired level of curl. After the first rinse, we proceed with the second chemical application. This step is crucial in defining the curls and ensuring they last longer. While the first chemical gives the hair its curly form, the second application locks in this form. With the perm process, I can create curls in 7 different wave sizes, allowing me to achieve flawless results for my clients. Now, we've reached the most exciting part. We carefully unwrap the rollers and those beautiful curls start to reveal themselves. It's important to be gentle while removing each roller to avoid damaging the curls. The curls we've created showcase the hair's new form. The hair has completely transformed, and at this point, the result is well worth all the effort. A small but effective touch for long hair. Trimming the split ends gives the hair a more polished look, complementing the overall shape of the curls. Trimming the ends also helps the hair appear more vibrant and full. Plus, I apply curl-defining gel and mousse to eliminate frizz and enhance the curls. Finally, we add volume by drying the hair with a diffuser. The diffuser helps maintain the shape of the curls while adding extra volume. When drying, it's important not to disturb the curl pattern to preserve the natural wave structure. This process makes the curls appear more defined, full, and voluminous. And here's the final result, a complete transformation from start to finish, from long straight hair to voluminous eye-catching curls. Now, these tresses have a whole new look. Every step of this transformation reflects the care and effort you've put into your hair. Creating a fairy tale with your hair is entirely in your hands.